y'all could blame King Beto for this one, man.
How could I love them and they so disloyal? How the fuck I'm supposed to trust them and they so disloyal? Tell them niggas that be plotting, I got something for them. I hold that bitch tight like I do my mic when I perform. Am I right or wrong if I tear this bitch up? I got 2 choppers, that's on my mama. You can pick one.
Which one?
Fuck nigga, don't move, get on the ground. This a stick up. They call me 1K, don't miss. Cause bitch, I promise that I won't miss none.
I don't.
Bitch, we turn niggas to victims. Bitch, I turn niggas to swishers, but they get no mentions. If something happen in my city, they say gang them did it. I'm sliding in that 300, that bitch ride like a Bentley. I fuck that bitch, let her nut first and don't stop till I'm finished. I'm a menace. They call dude ass tryna blitz and hit him all up in this shit, huh?
Facts.
Oh, I heard they took y'all big homie. They shoulda took a piss on him. Money can't unlame these niggas, I see the bitch on them.
Facts.
Yeah, you know that I be off the drugs. The 40 got a smoker's cough, cause that bitch be coughing slugs. He say, she say, clap a nigga, get on the E-way. These niggas snitching, and they people, they play police games. Chase him down, he a bitch, we made him face the ground. Moan them cactus bros by that stove, they'll take you down. People used to love me, but they saying that they hate me now. But I don't give a fuck, I feel like they love us fake as hell. Moving like in jail, but somehow they tend to hate me still. Upright, independent and fearless, move like a ranger steel. Name, whole weight, you can weigh it on the fucking scale. Spot a bitch nigga by the way he tuck his fucking tail. Fam, you can run and tell, but you can't duck these shells. Don't nobody want these problems like they fucking stale. You can lie to these niggas, you can lie to these bitches, but you can't lie to me. I'm like God to these niggas. Niggas get money and start acting like they bulletproof. Take him out his glow, then donate it to his funeral. The kid named Hot, cause they say I'm known for doing hits. The ops name Targets, cause they known for getting hit. He talking about that shit bag when he say he with the shits. Not the type to fight a man, but he quick to beat a bitch. I ain't wanna keep his bitch. I fucked this bitch and gave her back like Enterprise. I leased that bitch. Gang.
Gang.
Ain't no fucking strange happenings, man.